The first impression that comes to our mind about any college: tall buildings, big classrooms, large lobby areas, thick books, IT labs, assignments, class tests, and projects, nothing besides that. Every hour, minute, second spent here help us carving and shaping our persona, cultivating innovative mindsets for the challenging world. Learning is a lifelong process. Sharing knowledge, inculcating values of life, spark the innovative horizons of mind. Fun and frolic is the nature of every nook and corner here. A daily dose of thrill we are sure to get here.
Once our very respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. On this note, a heartiest good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Saksham Bakshi, will be your host for this session. We all are survivors of boredom from so long, but say no more. DME Media School is like angel in disguise, and we have something very fun for you. It gives us immense pleasure to extend you all a very warm welcome to our very interactive quiz competition, Let's Get Quizzical, the hashtag for which is hashtag Biz for Quiz. We have been joined by Professor Dr. Ambrish Saxena, Dean DME Media School, Director DME Studios and Production, Professor Dr. Susmita Bala, Head DME Media School, our super supporting faculty members, participants, and my dear viewers. We welcome you all. Now, I would like to request Professor Dr. Ambrish Saxena, Dean DME Media School, Director DME Studios and Production, to address our viewers. Sir, you are on mute.
Dear faculty members and students, I believe this is the first event of its kind as far as the quiz is concerned. I don't remember last year if some quiz events were organized, but then quiz has been one such activity which is not always in the focus. The other activities are more in the limelight, but it's good that this is because this is an activity which directly addresses the mind. And the first and the foremost thing which I believe has to be there in any education system, in any school or college, the first faculty is to be addressed, has to be that of mind, and other faculties need to be addressed. So if quiz is happening, so I believe that we are on the right path, and it will ultimately contribute to the intellectual growth of the students, which will take them ahead. So I wish that this activity succeeds and this does not remain one isolated activity. This must continue and more such activities, repeated activities happen. Only then we can get something, some positive result out of this quiz. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request Professor Dr. Susmita Bala, Head DME Media School, to share her views.
Hello everybody. It's a very important activity for everyone. Lots of work and exercise done by your section. Lots of physical posted on Pole on different themes and subjects by Priyanka. I don't know how many of you participated in that, but it's good for everyone for increasing knowledge level, and as a media student you are doing very well. वानी प्रशिता कुछ लोगों का मैंने देखा भी कि लगातार पार्टिसिपेशन उसमें हो रहा है. सो आपका इंटरेस्ट किसी भी फील्ड में हो, लेकिन नॉलेज लेवल बढ़ाना इंक्रीज करने के लिए कोई रोड ब्लॉक्स नहीं है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Before we proceed further with the event, I have an announcement to make. Delhi Metropolitan Education is organizing Vritika 2020 from 5th November to 7th November. It is a great platform and opportunity for everyone to showcase their talent and skills, as we have a lot of competitions with exciting prizes. So guys, please go and register yourself as soon as possible. I'll now brief you about the rules of Let's Get Quizzical. This is an elimination style quiz competition consisting of 5 fun rounds and exciting prizes. First round is Memory, second round is Mad About Ad, third round is Filmania, fourth round GK Quizzards, and fifth round is Rapid Fire. For the first 4 rounds, each team will be asked one question each. 10 seconds will be given to speak out the answer. Any member of the team being asked the question can answer. If the answer is correct, the team will get 1 point, and if the answer is incorrect, there is no extra point to be rewarded. The points accumulated will be transferred onto each advancing rounds. At the end of third and fourth round, the team with the lowest scores will be eliminated. Tiebreaker question will be used to determine which team goes ahead. The final round with 3 teams remaining will have rapid fire questions to decide whether the winner of the competition. The final round, each team will be asked 5 questions each, and the teams will get only 5 seconds to speak out the answer. The teams with greater points by the end of the final round will be declared the winner of this quiz competition. The rules are the participants must have their cameras on, it's mandatory. Players must speak out the answers only when asked to. If the answer is called out or commented without being asked to, the team may face point deduction or even disqualification. Using any gadgets like smartphone or laptop to get the answers during the quiz will lead to disqualification. In case of any issues regarding the quiz, the decision of the quiz master will be taken as final. So now, without wasting much time, let's move forward, and I wish you all the very best. Here's the first round of the quiz, Memory Contemporary Culture. Before starting, let me remind you all, each team will be given only 10 seconds to answer, so guys, please be quick. There are no eliminations in this round. So here is your first question for our team 1, which is Vishal Davar, Fazal Khan, and Rachit Rawat. The first question is, who was the Instagram creator behind the viral meme Rasode Mein Kaun Tha? Guys, who was the Instagram creator behind viral meme Rasode Mein Kaun Tha? 10 seconds only.
Guys, time is up.
Time is up. So as you couldn't answer team 1, let's check the right answer. Team 1 ko. Let's check the right answer. The right answer is Yashraj Mukhate. Moving forward to our next question for group 2, which is Kunika Khurana, Shivansh Kapoor, and Saurabh Jaiswal. The next question is, a person got viral over the internet for a comment with only 7 likes. What is his full name?
Vinod.
Guys, you are required to answer the full name.
Vinod Banerjee.
Okay,
Time is up.
Let's check the correct answer. Is correct or not? No, it was wrong answer. The right answer is Vinod Tharu. Wrong answer, group 2. Moving forward to group 3, which is Vicky Pal, Harsh Prajapati, and Prachi Sharma. The next question is, which Bollywood actress got the meme title of Most Struggling Actress 2020?
अनन्या पांडे
विक्की भाई अनन्या पांडे है क्या?
अनन्या पांडे है भाई
अनन्या पांडे
Let's check the correct answer. Yes, the answer is right from group number 3. It's Ananya Pandey. Congratulations, guys. Moving forward to our next question for group 4, Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, and Hardik Dogra. The question is, name the movie of this meme dialogue. तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है?
हेरा फेरी.
Let's check if your answer is right or not. It was Phir Hera Fairy. So we should consider Kaushik. Kaushik, can we consider this answer?
I would say no, it should have been answered Fir Hera Fairy.
Sorry, Team 4. The right answer is Phir Hera Fairy and not only Hera Fairy. Moving forward to our next question for team number 5, Suzanne Frederick, Ishika Sen, and Chaitanya Bhatia. This YouTuber is known to have achieved maximum views for making a video on YouTube versus TikTok. What is his original full name?
Ajay Nagar.
Ajay Nagar.
Okay, let's check the right answer, guys. Yes, Ajay Nagar, Carrie Minati YouTube name is the right answer. Congratulations, group number 5. The scores after the end of the first round is team 1 is 0, team 2 is 0, team 3 is 1, team 4 is 0, team 5 is 1. After this, we have come to the end of round 1. I would now like to invite Aditya Jain for the audience round.
Thanks, Aksham. Hey viewers, are you feeling left out? Don't worry. Here I am with the audience round. I will be asking some interesting questions from you all after each round. Before asking you the first question, let me remind you that answers for the audience round will be only written in the chat box. The results will be announced at the end of the quiz. So stay tuned till the end. So here we start with our first question. Can we have the question on the screen, please? Which is India's first supercomputer? I am repeating the question again. Which is India's first supercomputer? You have to write the answer on the chat box only.
Time is up.
So time is up. Let's check the correct answer. The right answer is Param 8000.
No one has given the right answer.
No one
So
has
no
given
one
the
has
right
given
answer within the time limit, although Souvik from 3C has answered the right answer, but Souvik better be fast next time.
Yeah, so we are moving to the next question. Can we have the next question on the screen? Satluj River is also known as. I am repeating the question again. Satluj River is also known as. Please write the answer on the chat box only.
Time is up.
Let's check the correct answer.
Correct answer is given by Kamil sir and Muskan Baweja. Kamil sir.
Satadri is the correct answer.
Okay. And the right answer is given by Kamil sir within the time limit.
So congratulations, Kamil sir.
Muskan and Shedna. Okay, carry on.
Thank you, audience. Now, I would like to invite Kashish Singhal for the second round.
Thanks, Aditya. Hello, everyone. You all did a great job in round 1. Welcome to the second round of Let's Get Quizzical. I, Kashish Singhal, will take this round. Mad about that. Guys, ready? Properly practiced creativity can make one ad to the work of 10. This round is specially for ad maniacs. Let me see how many are there who watch ads apart from shows. With this, let's begin the quiz. Question number 1 for team 1, which is Vishal Davar, Fazal Khan, Rachit Rana. Question number 1, guess the brand Impossible is Nothing.
Impossible is nothing. Adidas.
Let's find out the right answer.
Arey Fazal.
Congratulations. The right answer is Adidas. Question number 2 for group 2, which is Konika Khurana, Shivansh Kapoor, Saurabh Kumar Jaiswal. Fill in the blanks. Subway eat dash.
Eat fresh.
Let's check the right answer. Bravo, going great. Proceeding to the next question, question number 3 for group 3, which is Vicky Pal, Harsh Prajapati, Prachi Sharma. Guess the brand.
TripAdvisor.
Let's check the right answer. Great. The right answer is TripAdvisor. Coming to the question number 4 for group 4, which is Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, Hardik Dogra. What was the differentiating factor of Nike's new video ad, You Can't Stop Us? A. Political agenda. B. Impressive video editing. C. Change of Nike's logo. D. Exclusive sports footage.
C.
Let's find out the right answer. Oops, your answer is wrong. The right answer is video editing. Better luck next time. Proceeding to the question number 5, which is the last question of this round, which is for group 5, Suzanne Frederick, Ishika Sen, Chaitanya Bhatia. Who among the following is a brand ambassador of Kalyan Jewelers? A. Amir Khan, B. Deepika Padukone, C. Amitabh Bachchan, D. Tara Sutaria.
Amitabh Bachchan.
C. Amitabh Bachchan.
Let's check the right answer. Congratulations, your answer is right. The right answer is Amitabh Bachchan. That was it for round 2. Now I would like to invite Aditya for the audience round.
Thanks, Kashish. Hey audience, I am back again with another interesting questions for you all to answer. Here is your another chance to answer my next questions. Can we have the question on the screen, please? Let's see who will win this round. Which is the largest island in the world? I am repeating the question again. Which is the largest island in the world?
Time is up.
So time is up. Let's check the correct answer. Greenland is the correct answer.
Okay, so the right answers is given by Priyansh Joshi within the time limit. Kamil sir, Muskan also gave it in during that duration, and Chetna. But Priyansh, since you are the organizer in 5A, we won't count your question. We won't count your answer. So Kamil sir gets this one as well. And Muskan is also a second close.
So congratulations to both Kamil sir and Muskan. So moving forward to the next question. Mount Kailash is located in which country? I am repeating the question again. Mount Kailash is located in which country?
Time is up.
So time is up. Can we have the correct answer, please? So China is the correct answer.
We have Tanika Bajaj, who has answered it correctly.
That's nice. Congratulations, Tanika. Sorry.
Tanika. Okay.
So now I would like to invite Shinjini to proceed the further event with the quiz.
Thank you, Aditya, and hello everyone. Welcome to round 3 Filmania. We're now going to test how much you know about films and shows, and for this particular round, I, Shinjini Tripathi, will be asking you the questions. But before we proceed further, and since we are talking about films, I must mention that DME Media School is organizing the second edition of the Cineast International Film Festival of India, CIFI 2020, from 16th to 19th December. And in this mega event, we will be screening foreign and national films of different genres. The theme for CIFI 2020 is cinema and the impact of COVID-19. Now, let's get back to the quiz. After the end of this round, the team with the lowest score will be eliminated. So keep that in mind and give your best. Without wasting any time, let's start. So the first question is for Group 1, and the team members are Vishal Dabar, Fazal Khan, and Rajat Rawat. So the question is, Name either of the first two Indian movies having two intervals.
Name either of the
repeat.
first two Indian
Yeah.
movies.
One is Jodha Akbar.
You only have to name one, but it has to be the right answer. So yeah.
The first Indian movie having two intervals.
Time's running out, guys.
Time is up.
Okay. Let's find out the right answer. But before that, what was your answer again? Jodha Akbar?
Yes, Jodha Akbar.
Okay, either ways, it's a wrong answer. The right answer is Sangam or Mera Naam Joker. Sorry, team, group 1.
Huh?
Yeah. Now let's move on to the next question. And this is for Kunika Khurana, Shivansh Kapoor, and Saurabh Kumar Jaiswal. So the question is, which was Netflix India's first original show? I repeat, which was Netflix India's first original show?
Sacred Games.
Okay, let's check whether Sacred Games is right or not. Congratulations, it is the right answer. Now let's move on to the next question, and this is for group 3, Vicky Paul, Harsh Prajapati, and Prachi Sharma. So the question for you is, who was the first Indian music composer to win an Oscar award?
A.R. Rahman.
Okay. Let's check whether A.R. Rahman is right or not. Congratulations, A.R. Rahman is the right answer. Now let's move on to the next question, and this is for group 4. The members are Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, and Hardik Dogra. The question for you is, which was the first Indian talkie film?
Alam Aram.
Okay, let's find out whether Alam Ara is right or not. Congratulations, Alam Ara is the right answer. Now let's move on to the last question for this round, and this is for group 5, Suzanne Frederick, Ishika Singh, and Chaitanya Bhatia. The question for you guys is, which Indian movie had cast the highest number of British actors? I repeat, which Indian movie had cast the highest number of British actors? Guys, be quick. Time's running out.
Mangal Pandey.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's check whether Mangal Pandey is right or not. Unfortunately, it is the wrong answer. The right answer is Lagan. So the scores are Team 1, 1 point, Team 2, 2 points, Team 3, 3 points, Team 4, 1 point, and Team 5, 2 points. So now I think we have a tie between two teams. Let me check again. I will repeat the scores again. Team 1, 1 point, Team 2, 2 point, Team 3, 3 point, Team 4, 1 point, and Team 5, 2 points. So yeah, there's a tie between two teams, Team 1 and Team 4. So we will now have a tiebreaker round to determine which one team is going forward in the next round. So yeah, the rules for the tiebreaker round are, we will ask you one question, and whoever types Y in the chat box first, mind you, you have to type Y in the chat box. So whoever types Y first will get the chance to speak out the answer. If your answer is wrong, we will give the chance to the other team, and like, let's say team 4 was the second one to type Y, right? But team 1's answer was wrong. So we will ask team 4 to answer it. But if team 4's answer is right, they will move forward in the competition, and team 1 will leave us. Will not be a part of it anymore. So with this, I hope you all are clear with the rules.
Group 4 and group 1, I hope you're clear.
Team members are Vishal Dawar, Fazal Khan, and Rajat Rawat, and the member for team 4
Rajat is, we have to mute them.
Okay, just
unmute.
Okay,
Unmute
please
them.
unmute yourself, Rajat.
Yes.
Are the rules clear?
Yes.
Team 4.
You have to write yes, right?
Yeah, you have to type Y, and we'll consider the one who's typed it first. They would get the chance to answer the question. Team 4, are the rules clear with you? Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, and Hardik Dogra?
There's this one doubt. In the chat, we cannot send chat to everyone. So why kisko likhna?
Why?
Yes, likhna na. We have to write yes na.
You just have to type Y, and can we change the chat?
Acha, Y. Okay.
Yeah.
I am getting the responses.
Okay, Yash,
Okay, so
Yash
I'll tell
ma'am
you who
will
answered first.
talk.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So, okay, let's move on to the question now and find out which team's gonna go forward. So the question is, what is the slogan of Tata Sky? Guys, be quick. Type Y in the chat box.
Group 4.
Okay, group 4. What's the answer?
Group 4. Let them let me unmute them.
Yeah, I'm
sure.
answering. इसको लगा डाला तो live jingle आला.
Congratulations, group 4. You're going forward in the competition. I'm really sorry, team 1, but it's a game over for you. Now, the teams that are going forward in the next round are Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, and Team 5. Now, I would like to invite Aditya Jain for the audience round.
So now it's time for the question of the third audience round. Can we have the question, please? So the first question is, which is the largest flower in the world? I am repeating the question again. Which is the largest flower in the world? Guys, hurry up.
Time is up.
So the time is up. Let's check the correct answer. Rafflesia is the correct answer.
We don't have any. Yash Makhija did respond. Even Muskan did. So, but of course, after the time, after you had, yes. Okay.
So the second question is, can we have the second question, please? The second question is, Theri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is located on which river? And I am repeating the question again. Theri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is located on which river? The time is running out, guys. So the time is up. Let's have the correct answer. Bhagirathi River is the correct answer.
Okay, so the correct answer is given by Kamil sir. And
Again,
very closely,
congratulations, Kamil sir.
Kamil sir is on fire today. So yes, Kamil sir.
Yes.
Moving forward.
Thank you, audience. Now let's move on the next round. And for that, I would like to invite Saksam Bakshi.
Thank you, Aditya. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our fourth round of Let's Get Quizzical Media Quiz, which is the general knowledge round. Let's check your GK. Guys, are you ready for the round 4 GK round? Be a lifelong student. The more you learn, the more you earn, and more self-confidence you will have. I am Saksham Bakshi, and I will be asking you questions in this round. Before starting, let me remind you all, each team will be given only 10 seconds to answer. So guys, please be quick. After the end of this round, out of our 4 teams, 1 team will be eliminated and our 3 teams will be going forward to final round of rapid fire. So now let's straight away move to the questions for this round. And the question is for team 1. Sorry, group 1. Team 1 is eliminated. Group 2, which is Kunika Khurana, Shivansh Kapoor, Saurav Kumar Jaiswal. And the question for you guys is, in which institution was the famous movie 3 Idiots shot? Group 2. Guys, time is running out. Group 2.
Time is up.
Mic was off.
Ma'am, mic was not.
Mike was not there. Yes, we have to give them this one. Yes, let ask them.
Which is the right answer? What is the right answer, guys?
IIT Bangalore.
IIT Bangalore. Is it the final answer, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's check the right answer. It's IIM Bengaluru. It's not IIT. Sorry, guys. Moving forward to our next question for group number 3, which is Vicky Pal, Harsh Prajapati, and Prachi Sharma. Your question is, who is the current chairperson of National School of Drama, Option A, Paresh Rawal. Option B, Sunil Shetty. Option C, Aditya
Paresh
Rawal.
Rawal.
Let me complete.
अरे
Option D, Rajpal Yadav.
परेश रावल लग रहा है मेरे को.
मेरे को भी परेश रावल लग रहा है.
परेश रावल.
Final, Paresh Rawal.
Yes, final.
Okay, let's check if you are right or not. Yes, Paresh Rawal is the right answer. Good going, Group 3. Moving forward to our next question for Group 4, which is Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, and Hardik Dogra. And the question is, eChopal, the IT venture initiated to help the farmers in their agricultural production and marketing, belongs to A, Reliance, B, ITC, C, Tata, or D, Microsoft. Group 4.
Reliance.
Final answer?
I think ITC.
Okay, go for ITC.
Okay, final answer is ITC. Let's check the correct answer, guys. Yes, ITC is the right answer. Congratulations, Team Core. So our final question for this round is for Group 5, Suzanne Frederick, Ishika Sen, and Chaitanya Bhatia. And your question is, which constitutional amendment is known as mini constitution? 63rd, 72nd, 42nd, or 49th? Group 5.
I guess A, 63rd, 63.
Final?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check the right answer. Sorry guys, the option was 42nd was the right answer. So we have come to the end of round 4, which is the GK round, and the scores are Team 2, 2 points, Team 3, 4 points, Team 4, 2 points, and Team 5, 2 points. So as Team 2, Team 4, and Team 5 have a tie, we will have a tiebreaker round between all the 3 teams. Team number 2, team number 4, and team number 5, you will have a tiebreaker round. So the rules for the tiebreaker round are, in this, the tiebreaker round, the teams will have to write letter Y in the chat box. The first team to write letter Y will be allowed to speak out the answer. And if the answer is directly written or spoken out, that team will be eliminated. So guys, please mind that you have to only write letter Y.
Why? Actually जो chat box send हो रहा है वो मैम को send हो रहा है तो मैम को ही करना है.
हाँ,
कैसे
मैं कर
करना
रही
मैम?
हूँ, मैं ही कर रही हूँ बेटा.
Okay.
So let's have the tiebreaker round question.
Okay, then I'll start.
So guys, first question for tiebreaker round is, which year was the first news bulletin broadcast from All India Radio?
Group 4.
19,
Group 4.
1936.
Yeah. Let's check the right answer, guys. Yes, it was the right answer, 1936. Congratulations, group number 4. Let's have a next question.
Group 4 goes to the rapid fire round. अब बाकी दोनों teams के बीच में.
Yes. So the next question, the final question for the tiebreaker round. Name Satyajit Ray's first movie.
Group 2.
Group 2 first. Yes, group 2, what's the answer?
Shivansh.
Punika Khurana, Shivansh, Saurabh, what is the right answer, guys? Group 2.
Time is up.
The time is up, guys. So let's check the correct answer for this question. Pather Panchali was the right answer. Let's have the next question. Complete the 4 P's of marketing: product, prize dash promotion?
Group 2, Shivansh.
Group 2 again, Shivansh, Kunika, Saurabh. What's the right answer, guys?
Packaging. Production.
Packaging.
Packaging.
Okay, final answer?
Yes.
Let's check the right answer. Sorry, guys, the right answer was place. This was the wrong answer. So the teams going forward are group number 4 and group number 5 to the rapid fire round.
5 में तो कोई आंसर ही नहीं किया.
मतलब
You gave the wrong answer, na?
yeah,
So
but they
directly
haven't given
go-
any answer, so at least we should get one question so that we
One
can
more question, no?
proceed if possible.
Let's have Kaushik, the quiz master.
Yes, we have more questions. If you want, you can ask another.
Okay, let's have another question.
Be fast, guys.
And both
He'll
the
ask
teams have to reply.
Okay, then.
The next question for tiebreaker is, what is the full form of NDTV?
Group 2.
Group 2 again. Kunika, Shivansh, Saurabh, what is the right answer?
Nations Developing Television.
Sorry?
Nations Developing Television.
Okay, let's check if the answer is right or not. Sorry guys, again wrong answer. The right answer is New Delhi Television Limited. Kaushik have...
Yes,
Yes,
they have answered wrong
Yes, ma'am.
both the times. So I
Yes,
guess-
ma'am.
Okay. Saksham, Kaushik, group 3 hasn't been asked any question. Have they?
Ma'am, they were not in tiebreaker.
Okay, fine. All right.
Only group 2 and group 5 were in tiebreaker, ma'am, and group 2 gave wrong answers 2 times.
All right. So what which teams are going forward?
Group 3, 4, and 5.
All right. Okay.
So this was the end of round 4 with the tiebreaker round. Thank you so much, guys. Now I invite Aditya Jain for the audience round.
Thanks, Saksham. Hey audience, here is the last and the final chance to answer my questions. So, get ready. The first question is, which is the largest ocean in the world? I am repeating the question again. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Guys, hurry up. It's the last
Time
chance.
is up.
So the time is up. Let's check the correct answer.
We have. Okay.
Pacific Ocean is the correct answer.
And Muskan has answered it correctly.
Wow, that's great. So congratulations, Muskan. So moving towards the second question, www, World Wide Web, was invented in which year? I'm repeating the question again. www, World Wide Web, was invented in which year?
Time is up.
Let's check the correct answer. So the right answer is 1989.
And the right answer is given by Tanika Bajaj.
Congratulations, Tanika. So thank you, dear audience, for your participation. Now I would like to call Kashish to take the quiz forward.
Thank you, Aditya. Hey people, now it's matter of life and death. Just kidding, guys. So it's time for rapid fire round. So are you all ready?
Kashish, just a second. Let me just unmute all the teams. What all teams have qualified? Can you just tell me once more?
Group
4,
3, Group 4, and Group 5.
Group. Okay.
You just have to unmute team number 4. 3, I'm sorry.
Okay, group number 3 only I have to unmute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Group 5 is still in the game or they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
no longer? Okay, Chaitanya is asking for, all right.
Ma'am, we have to type the answer in chat box.
Kashish, please explain.
You have to give spontaneous answers.
Okay. Okay.
Shiv, let
Okay,
me
attention,
unmute.
attention.
Okay. I hope all of you are now unmuted because you have to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Group. All right. Okay.
machine चलेगी.
Okay. Okay.
Only group 3 have to answer in this round.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Only group 3. Okay.
Ma'am, shall I begin?
Yes, Priyanka.
Attention, attention. This is the Chetavani announcement. Now you have to change your train from local train to bullet train, as this is a rapid fire round and you have to give spontaneous answers. No chorus answers are allowed and you will get only 5 seconds to answer. I request all teams to accelerate their trains. So ready, set, go. Round 1. This round is for team 3, Vicky Pal, Harsh Prajapati, Prachi Sharma. Question number 1. The word rupee is written in how many languages?
17.
Okay, moving on to the next question. In which year the film La La Land got the Oscar Best Picture Award instead of Moonlight?
2017.
Okay.
2017.
Moving on to the third question. In the movie Home Alone 2, Lost in the New York, which US president gives Kevin McAllister directions?
Donald Trump.
Okay, moving
Donald
on to the
Trump.
next question. Fill in the blank. Name the brand. Have it your dash.
Way. Burger King.
Moving on to the last question of this round. What is the line of this popular meme?
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
Okay, this is the end of round 1. Moving to the round 2, which is for team 4, Shiv Dhawan, Rohit Gupta, Hardik Dogra. Question number for them. Which year did the first Asian Games take place?
1975.
Moving on to the next question, question number 2. Which of the following is not an online shopping portal?
Option B.
Moving on to the third question. In the movie The Lion King, what's the name of Simba's nasty uncle?
Mufasa.
Moving on to the fourth question. Don't be evil is the motto of which company?
Growth hackers.
Moving on to the last question of this round. Name the main character in this meme.
Shiv.
Time up.
Hardik.
Time up, guys. Time
शिव
up.
जवाब दे रहा था इसलिए वो नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है उसको.
5 seconds were over.
Okay,
Moving to our...
What happened? What Shiv Dhawan was giving the, I heard Shiv, I guess.
Ma'am, 5
saying
seconds
something.
were over.
No? Yes. Okay. All right.
नेटवर्क
Coming
इशू
to
हो
our,
रहा था.
We are
coming to
Rohit.
our round 3.
Okay.
Coming to our round 3 for group 5, Suzanne Frederick, Ishika Sen, Chaitanya Bhatia. Question number 1 for them. Which Indian actor is listed in top 10 people you don't want to mess with list?
Vijit Jamwal.
Coming to a second question. Who directed Avatar?
The James Cameron.
Coming to a third question. Which was the first non-test playing country to beat India in an international match?
Sri Lanka.
Moving to a fourth question. Identify the brand.
Skoda.
Skoda.
Moving to a last question of this round. This Pakistani fan got disappointed in Pakistan's match against which team?
India.
India.
This is the end of rapid fire round 3. I would like to invite Saksham Bakshi, Shinjini Tripathi to take the event further.
Thank you, Kashish. So the journey is never ending. There's always going to be growth, improvement, adversity. You just got to take it all in and do what's right. Continue to grow and continue to live in the moment. I can sense some curiosity now. I mean, the most important time is here. Yes, I'm talking about result declaration. So let's start with announcing our Call Call winner first. So there was a quiz competition going on Call Call as well for almost a month now. And that one person who has been very consistent with their answer is Kunika Khurana. Congratulations, Kunika. You get a cash prize of 300 rupees. Now, moving forward. Yes, ma'am.
I guess we should ask Kunika to say something because
Yeah,
she's been very
Kunika.
consistent
Yeah,
in,
Kunika.
posting her messages and everything. So,
Please
Kunika.
share with us how does it feel to be a winner?
It is obviously very amazing to be a winner. अब यहाँ पे तो जीती मैं तो I'm not going home with the empty hands. And it was fun, very, very much fun to be a part of that game. I was very constant and I was like, I have a reminder in my phone कि मेरे को अभी फटाफट reply करना ही है. अभी फटाफट quiz आएगी तो I have to reply, I have to be the one. That was the journey.
Kunika was like, बस 10 मिनट post करा, 10 मिनट के अंदर answer. Like, you are so fast, Kunika. Kaushik and I always discussed about that.
I knew the timings when it was going to be uploaded. So I
Learn
knew.
consistency.
Good work, Kunika. Moving forward.
Congratulations, Kunika. We're proud of you. Now, it's time to announce the winner of our audience round. So, congratulations, Muskan Babeja. You are our audience round winner and you get a cash prize of rupees 200.
Muskan.
And now,
Can we
it's
have
time.
Muskan also
would
to?
you like to say something, Muskan?
Yeah. Muskan.
Are you there? Yes, you are. But
Yes,
can
yes,
you hear
Muskan
us?
is here.
Okay.
Muskan, you're not audible.
I
right,
think we should move forward
Yes.
then.
Yes, Shindini.
Okay, so now it's time to announce the winner of Let's Get Quizzical Quiz competition. And the winner is Group 3. Congratulations, Vikipal, Harsh Prajapati, and Prachi Sharma. You get a cash prize of rupees 1500 and we're so proud of you. Congratulations. And let me tell you the scores of the other teams as well. So Team 4, the score of Team 4 is 2 points, Team 5, 6 points, and score of Team 3 is 9 points. With this, we've come to the end of our Let's Get Quizzical Media Quiz. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Yashasvika Yadav, Assistant Professor, DME Media School, to deliver the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please take over.
Thank you, Shinjini. Thank you so much. Congratulations to the winner. And thank you everyone for coordinating and giving us, we had a good 1 hour activity. So the idea of this event germinated when Dr. Susmita Bala suggested that Section A should also plan an event. The quiz, Let's Get Quizzical, is the complete labor of the students of 5A. Right from naming the event to creating engagement on Colpol, it's all them. Despite the event being postponed from 24th September to 14th October, I have not witnessed any lack of enthusiasm from the students' end. They have gone through multiple mocks over the month, and I'm proud to say many of them have even mastered the art of, organizing the quiz. I hope students, we have learned the importance of team spirit and organizational skills, and we will continue this in Vritika 2020 and SIFI 2020. I would like to thank each and everyone from 5A. Each one of you have contributed in this event. The success of this event is all yours. Further, I would like to thank our participants for taking out time for the mock and for their sportsmanship. Congratulations to our winners. I would also like to extend my thanks to Dr. Amrish Saxena and Dr. Susmita Bala for suggesting this idea and for her guidance. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my fellow colleagues who are always there to help me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I would like to request 5A to kindly stay, and the rest can leave the meeting.
Priyanka?
Should we ask team 3 to, express how does it feel to be the winner?
Okay, yeah, team 3.
If we have the time.
Yes,
because
yes.
we forgot to,
acknowledge
team
them
3,
all, right?
Please. Yeah, Prachi, Harsh and Vicky Pal, please share with us how are you feeling right now?
Thank you so much. I am feeling so happy, and I don't know basically कि मतलब मैं कैसे अपनी खुशी बयान करूं. And I'm so thankful to Amrish sir, Bala ma'am for conducting such types of wonderful events, basically in which we get to showcase our knowledge, we get something to learn basically. So I'm so happy, and I am so thankful to my group members for lots of coordination and lots of love, everything. And even of course मैम की भी बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब मैं आभारी हूँ. यशविका मैम जो है उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा. Thank you ma'am, thank you for everything.
Thank you, Prachi.
मैम अगर नेम थोड़ा सा गलत प्रोनाउंस कर दिया हो तो
okay, कुछ नहीं होता. It's okay. All right, thank you everyone. विक्की तो कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहेंगे, ग्रुप वो बाहर हैं कहीं. हर्ष आपको कुछ बोलना है?
मैम थोड़ा बाहर हूँ इसलिए बात नहीं.
Okay, no problem. हर्ष आपको कुछ बोलना है? Harsh, would you like to say something? Haji.
Unmute yourself.
Okay, thank you everyone for sir, ma'am, would you like to acknowledge the winners or something?
Yes, बहुत अच्छा कंडक्ट किया स्टूडेंट्स ने. मुझे लगता है कि शिंजनी, प्रियंका, इन लोगों को भी कुछ बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि ये ओवरऑल काफी मेहनत का काम है. एंड यू ऑल कंडक्टेड वेरी वेल एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज वेरी नाइस. और आगे भी इसको कंटिन्यू करो क्योंकि ये ऑनलाइन में तो मुझे लग रहा है कि काफ़ी स्टूडेंट ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. हम हमेशा एफर्ट्स करते हैं कि क्लासरूम क्विज हो, बट ये प्लेटफॉर्म इस पर्पस के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा. तो यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग आई थिंक इन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. सो कंटिन्यू दिस इवेंट quizzical.
Thank you, ma'am.
Not as this event means this is not only part of event management. ये फर्दर भी कर सकते हो क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा है और स्टूडेंट ने पार्टिसिपेट भी किया. और इस प्रोग्राम के बाद आई थिंक और स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्टेड होंगे कि वो पार्टिसिपेट करें.
यस मैम. सर
अच्छा है, कम से कम शुरुआत हुई और काफी कुछ सारे फेसेस हैं वो देख के ही अच्छा लगता है ना कि कम से कम एक्टिव है. शिंजनी का हंसता हुआ चेहरा दिखाई देता है तो लगता है कि सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Acha, I mean, these kind of activities should continue because these are the things which should be in fact part of the whole grooming exercise in any education institutions. Classes तो होती हैं, classes में ज़्यादा लोगों का interest भी नहीं होता, तो चलो क्लास में नहीं हो, बाकी इन सारी चीज़ों में participate करें. तो उससे ही कुछ फायदा होगा। और आई थिंक इसको एक रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज के तौर पे करना चाहिए, नॉट ओनली आई मीन टू मेक इट इवेंट सेंट्रिक, और बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे नहीं भी हो, छोटे छोटे क्विज़ेस हो सकते हैं जो ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली हो और वेरिड सब्जेक्ट पे हो। ठीक है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी लाइट थी, बट टू बिगिन विद अच्छा है, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा वो एक एक लेवल एलिवेट करना भी ज़रूरी है उसको। Okay, so I give all my congratulations to all those who have won and those who have not won, because winning is not important, participation is much more important, and this continuous participation will lead you to definitely to a success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
DME has embraced digital paradigm shift by adopting technology-based learning.
Unlike other colleges, we adopted a two-step strategy. In step 1, teachers would be preparing the videos, students would be watching them. In step 2, the student would be coming to the tutorial, clarifying the doubts, making the presentations, and discuss with the teacher.
At DME, we have invested in the best in the class academic ERP, which allows us to have a 360-degree robust communication amongst all the stakeholders, students and faculty members.
DME's virtual learning mechanism is no less than real-time classroom teaching,
wherein the students are provided the pool of e-learning resources in the form of PPTs, video lectures, and online classes in a very student-friendly environment. There is no need of mental blocks. Online teaching is as effective and interesting as offline teaching. Let the students enjoy this new mode of education.
In DME, we believe in quality education. We take care of our students. We want to see them happy.
Mental and emotional health are one of the most challenging issues of present times. DME Mentoring Cell takes care of that. Not just this, we go beyond academic curriculum to instill the most important employability skills in our students.